I saw these 3 photographs appeared in the Daily Telegraph in 2006, and I was very intrigued by it, and it didn't take me long to come up with the possibility that it could be a subject for a Meccano model. It's just an intriguing structure, and when one sees it in the rolled position, there's obviously no perception that it is in fact a bridge. It took me 9 months altogether because I wanted to have it operating with one motor under this dock, driving a chain of gears through each hinge point. But that after a long period of many attempts to get this to operate that way, it was obvious that there was far too much friction in driving the thing completely mechanically. So then I abandoned that idea and took on board the possibility of using 5 separate drives with their own electric motor at each hinge point. Hydraulics and Meccano don't mix very well, so I decided that I've got to find out, if I was going to model it, I needed to find another way of it operating, and the screw jack principle was the obvious way to go.